Hi everyone, I am Cassandra, your 30-something, beauty-loving, normal gal, making videos for those of us over the age of 30 here on YouTube. And today, I broke down, I did it, I got the e.l.f. the new Classics palette and wanted to play with that to do just an everyday eye makeup look. So that is what we are going to do. So I already have on foundation, primer, concealer. I already have on eyeshadow primer. It's the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. My bronzer is on. It's the Edit Unlocked. So that's where we're at. And I just have like Kiehl's lip balm on my lips. That's where we're at. So this is not a review of this. This is my first time breaking into it. I just thought we would use it because this is $14. And I meant to address this in the last video. A little dog decided to pee all over my comforter, so take a look at my lovely, like, quilted bed. Also, the old man down the way has his TV way up, and two people have decided to have a conversation right below my window. So I'm gonna do everything I can in post to take out all the extra noise, but you know, I can only do so much. Now that all the caveats are out of the way, let's get started. Okay, so I am going to start with truffle. There's a part of me that just wants to play with everything in here, but I want to do something that's simple. Oh, okay, this isn't a review video, but that had payoff. Wow, okay. So I'm just putting that all over my eye and then pulling it up. I'll go back and fix that a little more later. It's going to be a little messy at first. So truffle. So to kind of even that out, I'm now going to take my fluffy brush and go back in and go into the crease and pull up. I'm doing this from way farther away from my mirror than normal. So I'm a little curious what this looks like close up. Then I'm gonna take Uptown, which has just a little, like a tiny shimmer to it, and put that in the crease. And I'm gonna put it in the corner and pull out. This definitely takes a little more work than like an Anastasia, but I think everything takes more work than that one. But it is blending, and the color payoff, wow. I'm pretty surprised. Okay. Then, just on my brow bone, because I did nothing up here, oh, I really gotta go get my brows done. I am gonna take cream. Not that it's doing like a lot, but just a little lightness. Wow, now that I know the color payoff is so strong, I really want to use Muse and Noir, but in the corner, but I'm afraid it's gonna be way too much. So I'm gonna come with Charmer, even though my last videos, all my purples look way too strong. And literally just the corner. Do you guys get bored that I do my makeup basically the same every time? That is pretty. Okay, this is impressive. Okay, this is going to become a review because this is impressive. So I bought this. I meant to tell you this in the beginning too. I bought this because I'm going on 2 trips in March, and I was looking at my stuff and I'm like, I don't really want to bring any of my nicer palettes just for fear of them breaking, like the expensive ones, and then the cheaper ones are either not enough options for these trips. Both these trips I want to have options. And so they weren't really enough options for the trips. Like I could have brought the Wet n Wild ones, but I just wanted something with a little more, and I saw this and I thought, well, this has plenty of neutral and some like fun pops that this will do it for me, and if it breaks, it was $14. So Okay, on this side, it just didn't go in the crease quite as much. This side always goes way more out to an angle than this one. I know Rachel from Rachel Loves talks about it too, that having that like patch that won't get anything. I have that patch on this side. So this next step is just a little extra. If I can get the right brush. I am gonna take Cosmo and put it on the lid to the corner. Okay. That one wasn't as exciting as I wanted it to be. Let's take Beloved. Okay, well, the mattes are amazing. These shimmers, I'm taking Blanc, which is the white shimmer, just to pop right there in the corner. I'm gonna take my little pencil brush with Muse, which is like an eggplant, muted a little bit gray, I would say. And just brush a little lightly under the eye, not all the way to the corner. And then, because I want to, I'll take the same one with my, actually, you know what, I'm going to use my smudge brush, which fell. Hold on. So I'm going to take my focus, I'm going to take my smudge brush and go in Muse. And just give a real soft line on top. Okay. Beloved does have a nice iridescence when the, do you see that? When the light hits it, that's pretty. These were super impressive. Like, wow. They did a really, really nice job. I'm not gonna go through and swatch all of them. That's just not my style. I also think it comes out different with a brush on your eye, but woohoo, those are nice. So I am going to finish up my eye look. I'll come back, finish up my makeup. I'll come back and talk to you in a couple minutes. Well, wait, this is an eye look video. Oh, hold on. See, I got so distracted. I'm like, no, it's a review. Okay, so let's finish up the eye. We're done with that palette, which, wow. I'm gonna take my Stila Stay All Day waterproof eyeliner and just draw in right in the lash line. I'm gonna use It's Superhero Mascara and curl my lashes, and then we'll be back and I'll chat once all my makeup is done. Okay, in person, all these colors go together really nicely, so hopefully they're looking that way on camera. So mascaras, I went through 3 because it turns out they've like all dried up. I was actually making it pretty low in my collection, so we're doing good. But a couple of them clearly had been used. Sorry, I've got a hair. A couple of them had clearly been used once or twice, and then time went by, so they've dried out. So I ended on a Buxom mascara, and even that one was pretty dry. I got a coat out of it and then put it in the empties bin. Okay, I already talked about it. I mean, where is it? $14, that's crazy. So this is amazing. Run out and buy it. I will probably do more looks with it. I'm gonna try and do these at least once a month, if not twice a month, of just an everyday eye look. And I need to start varying it up because I know I do basically the same thing every time. How many different ways can you do your eye though? But I will probably be doing soft glam soon just because, I think a lot of us have it and like it. I know in another video, where are you? I know in another video I talked about using Swear by It. Y'all, I can't believe I'm gonna say this, but this doesn't have the colors I need to do a lot of looks. Like, it doesn't have a cool tone matte brown. It's killing me. It needs a cool tone matte brown that's darker than that. So I will still play with this some. We'll definitely do an everyday eye look with it, and maybe just a couple of other looks, maybe not so everyday, but I think I'm going to switch around just to keep using on my palettes. I'm going to switch around on a lot of them. So that is it for this video. If you like this sort of thing, please give it a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and make sure you subscribe so you know when all videos come out. And right now you should be getting suggestions of other videos I think you'd like. So please keep watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.